Hi, I'm Mr. West, Rossit's Most Stylish, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Berlin Blockade and Airlift, and it's part of the sound effects sessions. Now then, the part of the cause of Berlin Blockade and Airlift was down to America and Britain introducing a new currency into their zones. Now in West Germany, that was like absolute cash just going into the economy. But Stalin kind of looked at that, and he just wasn't very happy at all. I mean, from his point of view, everyone was like, well, East Germany's rubbish. So then what he did was he set up a kind of blockade in Berlin and hoped that this would happen. Okay. And the American generals were sort of like, he's blockaded Berlin, let's nuke him and let's charge. But they couldn't do that because it had been an act of war. So what they decided to do was to fly some planes in. And unfortunately, I don't have a sound effect for that. But to fly some planes in, okay? And Stalin was like, oh, what should we do? And I'm sure that Molotov, his like foreign minister, was like, shoot them out of the air. Go for this. Yeah, shoot them out of the air, but unfortunately it had been an act of war. The Americans sent all these planes in, 2 million people in Berlin, 5,000 tons of stuff. They just piled it all in there and got it sorted, okay? And nobody wanted to do this. Even though the B-29s were ready to do it, because that would have meant nuclear war and the end of the world. Now Stalin stood and looked at what was going on in Berlin, and it was just like, the people in Berlin were just like this. Oh yeah. They were just like, cheers Westerners for bringing us all this food and stuff, you're right standard. And Stalin just sort of looked at it and he was just a bit like, and the Americans were a bit like, and Stalin in the end did actually give it up. He just had to stop it, okay? He couldn't shoot them down, and after 318 days the blockade was ended. And as I said, the Americans were just really, really happy. And Stalin was just like, I'm an idiot. And I've completely misjudged the situation. All the boys got together in the West, and after announced the creation of NATO, which was a military alliance against Stalin, as I say, try it against Stalin, you've had it. Stalin saw this and went, uh-oh, what I need to do is do something in response to it. So he unleashed a slightly, well, just a poorer drum roll really, and the Warsaw Pact was born. And people were just like, Warsaw Pact, absolute shabba. Cheers, bye.